Hello. Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay. I am so fine, kids. You have taken your breakfast? Yes. Very good. You know, nowadays COVID-19 is spreading very fast. Okay. Stay home. Stay safe. Wear mask, use hand wash and sanitizer. Okay. Now kids, tell me what we will do first? Assembly and Gayatri Mantra. So, all of you come and stand up. Stand up your proper place. Come on. Hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up, stand up your proper place. Okay, so join your hands like this and close your eyes. Okay, get ready for Gayatri Mantra. Everyone repeat after me. Start. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tassaviturvarenyam भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. Okay kids, hands down, open your eyes. Okay, now we will do rhymes. Okay kids, you know now, after assembly we will do rhymes. We will do 2 English rhymes and 2 Hindi rhymes. Okay, now I learn you a new rhymes. Okay, which rhymes? Tell me. Which rhymes? Tell me. Little Miss Muffet. Okay kids, Little Miss Muffet. Okay, everyone do. Everyone repeat after me, recite after me. Okay, Little Miss Muffet. Come on, see. Repeat again. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet. Repeat again. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider. Along came a spider, who sat beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Okay? Repeat it again. Okay? Little Miss Muffet, Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider, who sat beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Very nice kids, well done. Big thumbs up for everyone. Okay, now we will do next rhymes. Which rhymes? Tell me. You know which rhymes? Teddy bear. Okay, so everyone do. Teddy bear, teddy bear, teddy bear, teddy bear, turn around. Again, teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Teddy bear, off to school. Okay, very good kids, well done kids. Now we will do Hindi rhymes. Which rhymes? Tell me which rhymes? Tell me which rhymes? Sabera. Which rhymes? Sabera. Okay. सूरज निकला मिटा अंधेरा. कम ऑन से. सूरज निकला मिटा अंधेरा. देखो बच्चों हुआ सवेरा. कम ऑन से. रिपीट इट अगेन. सूरज निकला हुआ सवेरा. देखो बच्चों हुआ अंधेरा. आया मीठी हवा का झोंका. आया मीठी हवा का फेरा. चिड़ियों ने फिर खोया बसेरा. चिड़ियों ने फिर छोड़ा बसेरा. जागो बच्चों अब मत सो. जागो बच्चों अब मत सो. ओके, वेरी गुड किड्स. नेक्स्ट टाइम रिपीट इट अगेन. हुआ सवेरा मिटा अंधेरा. देखो बच्चों हुआ सवेरा. आया मीठी हवा का फेरा. चिड़ियों ने फिर छोड़ा बसेरा. जागो बच्चों अब मत सो. वेरी गुड. Big thumbs up for you. Okay, we will do next rhymes. Which rhymes? हाथी राजा. Okay, everyone repeat after me. Everyone enjoy? Yeah, very good. हाथी राजा बहुत बड़े. सूंड हिलाकर कहाँ चले. मेरे घर भी आओ ना. हलवा पूड़ी खाओ ना. आओ बैठो कुर्सी पर. कुर्सी बोली चटर पटर. अगेन. हाथी राजा बहुत बड़े. सूंड उठाकर कहाँ चले. मेरे घर भी आओ ना. हलवा पूरी खाओ ना. हाथी बैठा कुर्सी पर. कुर्सी बोली चटर पटर. कुर्सी बोली चटर पटर. वेरी नाइस किड्स. ओके, नाउ we will do story. Okay, which is story? The thirsty crow. Okay, everyone repeat after me. Okay, there was a thirsty crow. He was very thirsty. He looked water for here. He looked water for there, but no water. He saw a pot. Little water was there. He got an idea. He put pebbles one by one. One pebble, two pebbles, three pebbles, four pebbles, five pebbles, six pebbles, seven pebbles, eight pebbles, 9 pebbles, and 10. Water came up. Crow drank water and flew happily. The moral of this story is never give up. Okay kids. Now in Hindi. एक कौवा प्यासा था. एक कौवा प्यासा था. घड़े में थोड़ा पानी था. कौवा डाला कंकड़. पानी आया ऊपर. कौवे ने पानी पी लिया और कैसे उड़ गया. फर से उड़ गया. कैसे उड़ गया. फर से उड़ गया. वेल डन किड्स. वेरी नाइस. ओके, एवरीवन सिट डाउन. एवरीवन टेक योर प्लेस. ओके किड्स. Now kids, our assembly is over. our first class is going to start. Okay, this is your English class. Today I teach you A vowel words. A vowel words. So pay attention. Okay, everyone. Now tell me, what is the date of today? Today is 28 July 2020. Today is 28 July 2020. Okay, very good kids. Now tell me, what is the day of today? Today is Tuesday. What comes after Tuesday? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and today is Tuesday. Okay, which month is going on? Come on, say. Anyone know? Tell me. July. What comes after July? August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, and July. Okay, kids. Everyone ready for writing? Okay. Take your pencil and notebook. Okay. Write A vowel words. Okay, kids. V, A, N. V, A, N. Van. V, A, N. Van. C, A, P. C, A, P. Cap. C, A, P. Cap. Come on, say. B, A, G. B, A, G. Bag. B, A, G. Bag. Now, C, A, T. C, A, T. Cat. C, A, T. Cat. J, A, M. J, A, M. Jam. You like it? Okay, I also like. M, A, T. Mat. M, A, T. Mat. Okay, repeat it again. V, A, N. Van. C, A, P. Cap. B, A, G. Bag. C, A, T. Cat. J, A, M. Jam. M, A, T. Mat. V, A, N. Van. C, A, P. Cap. B, A, G. Bag. C, A, T. Cat. C, A, T. Cat. J, A, M. Jam. M, A, T. Bag. Everyone understand? Okay. Very good. So, kids, everyone, write down it in your notebook copy. Okay. So time is going on. Okay, kids. Bye bye.